So we're doing a Bjorn stethoscope unboxing today. So this packaging is awesome. Probably the best packaging I ever seen on a stethoscope compared to the Littman. It's beautiful. This is a perfect gift for anybody for graduating or anything. So look at it, just precise, all black, matte finish. The packaging is just beautiful. I can't stop talking about it. It came with the extra diaphragms that I got here. This is with Nurse Jenny. Link is down below on how to receive it, how to get it. I say it's affordable, it's worth it. Just everything looks so precise. So this is the diaphragms if you don't want the Bjorn Hall diaphragm on there. It does have the RN ones here. If you're straight out of nursing school, you want to represent, show off, take those Instagram pics, you get your RN diaphragms here. You can always pop those on. There's videos on how to pop those off and on, change them. So you can just place it on there. And that's how it looks. Overall, everything is pretty neat, precise, simple, as much as I like simplicity. I love it. As far as everything else coming out of the package looks so good. I also have another video where I would talk about comparison with the Littman. You can always check that out. So basically, once you remove it, you get the stethoscope on the top end. And then on the bottom, you're going to have like a case with extra tubings for the earpieces, along with extra diaphragm pieces. The styrofoam on this is pretty awesome. It's so lightweight. It's like, I've never seen that before, so it's props to that. This is the case that comes with it. So you got 6 additional earpieces, the extra diaphragm cases in case you end up breaking yours, dropping it. Who knows what happens to it, wears out, so that's pretty awesome. That's what I like about it, in case you need a little tune-up in between your extra overtime nursing shifts. And as with everything, they have instruction manuals, just a little information about the company, about how to use things. They also donate for any charity for $5 every stethoscope you've bought of your choice. So this brand, stethoscope, Nurse Jenny, she's got it all covered from all aspects, doing good in the world, helping people out, just getting everything done from all aspects. And you don't really see that from a company or business. Small business owners like this is really what I applaud for, and I enjoy just the way the simplicity of everything is. And here it is, your stethoscope, the one you've been waiting for. Basically, it looks like just a normal stethoscope like everything else, but just the design, it's sleek, it's nice, simple, it's light, the acoustics is beautiful on it. I like that little dot that shows you that that's the sound that you're going to be hearing instead of like trying to figure out which side's which. Little kinks in there, that's just from the packaging, but after a couple of days it usually gets straightened out. It's like ironing your thing, you just have to let it straighten out a little bit on its own. Just overall, it's a good looking stethoscope, from the packaging to the stethoscope to the extra supplies with it. Everything from the website even, it's been amazing. I really like when brands really reach out and expose themselves really nicely and keep it simple and not do too much about it. But yeah, check out the link down below. Check out the stethoscopes. Keep this brand in mind. I think you'll be satisfied with it overall, from the looks, from the sounds, from everything, from reading other reviews. It seems awesome overall. Check out my other video on my Littman review comparing to this one. That's all you have it. This is just an unboxing of the Bjorn Hall stethoscope. I'm RNscrub. Peace.